Hey there, tiny tots! Get ready for a thrilling ride in Mudslide Adventures, where kids will dive into the muddy world of farm animals, Savannah animals, and jungle wildlife. This fun-filled adventure lets kids explore how animals from different habitats have fun in the mud, while learning exciting facts along the way. On the farm, meet animals like pigs. Off we go! The tale of a mountain goat. Mountain goats are amazing climbers. They live high up in the mountains, often on steep cliffs that are very hard to reach. Mountain goats have special hooves with a soft, rubbery pad underneath that helps them grip rocks while climbing. Our next domestic animal is camel. Camels are social animals and often live in groups called herds. These herds are usually led by a dominant male, and the females typically form close-knit groups with their young. The timeless beauty of horse. Throughout history, horses have played a critical role in human civilization, serving as transportation, in agriculture, and in various forms of labor. Equine therapy, also known as horse therapy, let's dive into unique roosters. One of the most well-known features of roosters is their crowing. Roosters are larger and more brightly colored than hens. Roosters are essential for the reproduction of chickens. Roosters can be territorial. The lifespan of a rooster varies depending on factors snowbound stories about reindeer. Reindeer live in cold regions like the Arctic, Northern Europe, and North America. Both male and female reindeer have antlers, which they shed and regrow every year. Reindeer are great travelers. Insights into the lives of dogs. Dogs come in a wide range of sizes, from the tiny Chihuahua to the giant Great Dane. The smallest dog ever recorded was a Yorkshire Terrier, weighing just 4 ounces, from solid colors to spots. Diverse tales of the bear family. Bears are known for hibernating during the winter months. During this period, their heart rate and metabolic rate decrease, and they live off stored fat. Bears vary in size from the relatively small sun bear, which weighs around 60 to 150 pounds. Living in harmony with zebra. Grave zebras are the largest and most endangered species of zebras. They are native to Eastern Africa and are known for their thin stripes and large ears. The plain zebra is the most common and widespread species. Zebras are adaptable animals. The enduring legacy of goats. Goats are hardy animals that can adapt to a variety of climates and terrains. They are often found in diverse environments, from mountains to deserts. The gestation period for a goat is approximately 150 days. Let's unveil the rhinoceros marvels. Rhinoceroses are herbivores, primarily grazing on grasses, but they may also consume small mammals, leaves, branches and fruits. Rhinos inhabit a variety of ecosystems including grassland, long-necked marvel, the giraffe. The giraffe is the tallest mammal in the world. Even newborn giraffes are taller than most humans. Giraffes only drink once every few days, even when water is readily available. Evidence shows that many giraffes pride and power of King Lion. Lions are incredibly fast and agile. They can reach speeds of up to 50 mph, 80 km per hour in short bursts, and are capable of leaping distances of up to 36 feet, 11 meters. One of the most distinctive features of male lions is their mane. Get ready for elephant adventure. Elephants are known for their remarkable memory. Adult elephants can weigh anywhere from 4,500 to 11,000 kilograms. Both male and female African elephants typically have tusks, while only some male Asian elephants have them. Elephants are highly intelligent animals with complex emotions. They have large and well-developed brains. Join the expedition of majestic cow. Domestic cows, also known as Taurine cows, are descendants of wild oxen known as aurochs, and they were first domesticated in southeast Turkey around 10,500 years ago. Cows engage in all forms of play found in mammals, including playing with things such as balls, gambling and running, and also social play with members of other species, and cow will only sleep about 4 hours a day. Unmasking the majestic stripes of tiger. It is true, tigers are considered as solitary animals, unlike the sights of multiple tigers kept in one cage in the zoos. You are less likely to spot the same age group of tigers roaming together in the wild. The tigers have a very wide diet and can feast on anything that comes its way, be it a wild boar, deer, antelope, rodent, bear, bird, rhino, crocodile, buffalo, and even their own group of kids like leopards. Thanks for joining our fun Mudslide Adventures with farm animals, Savannah animals, and jungle wildlife fun episode. Subscribe now for this Mudslide Adventures with farm animals, Savannah animals, and jungle wildlife fun is a playful, educational journey. Don't miss the next mud-filled journey. See you later, brave kids!